Hello everyone, this is Coach Connie Osorio. For this video, we will learn how to do balance transfer from our Neuracash to another Neuracash account. But don't forget to like this video, share it to the community of IMG, and subscribe in our channel. So, for this video, we will perform the balance transfer which is the good news in our Neuracash. This is the latest in our benefit number 42, we can do now balance transfer to another Neuracash account. Plus the cash in, meron din po tayo niyan. But for this video, let's see how to do the balance transfer. So all you need to do, it's very easy to go to your Neuracash account, that download app button. When you go to that download app, you need to log into your Neuracash account, of course. And in your Neuracash dashboard or environment, you will see na enabled na po yung cash in menu and the balance transfer. So since we'll be performing balance transfer, let's hit that balance transfer menu or button. And then you will see here sa page natin, merong send to group and send to individual. Naka-disabled pa yung send to group, meaning meron na tayong clue na yung susunod na enhancement ng balance transfers, pwede na siyang isend sa multiple Neuracash account. But for now, let's click that send to individual. We will be sending an amount of money to another Neuracash account. So, pag kinlik po natin yung send to individual, you will need to input the recipient's email address here and the net amount and the message. And you will notice also that all of the three fields have asterisk. Ibig sabihin po, again, kapag may asterisk ang isang field, required siya. So, kailangan po may laman or kailangan lahat sila malagyan natin. So, kasama po dun yung message. In this particular transaction, ginamit ko po siya na i-transfer sa Neuracash account ng anak ko, who is also an IMG member, using his email address, his registered email address. And then, he wished to top up to his mutual funds account using his Neuracash. Since wala pang laman yung Neuracash niya, he was able to save 100 pesos and then gave it to me, and he asked me to do a balance transfer going to his Neuracash account. So his email address and then 100 pesos for the net amount, and the message is for mutual funds top up. So kung okay na tayo dun sa tatlong fields na yon, just click the send button. And just like any other transaction in our Neuracash, you need to enter the OTP or the one-time PIN sent to your email. Dito po natin siya ilalagay, and then you need to check your email and then go ahead and copy paste your OTP sent in your email for this particular transaction. Pag okay na tayo, make sure na tama yung OTP na in-input natin, click the OK button, and then, ayan, your sent money now is reflected in our transactions list. Ayan, 100 pesos. And super amazing, it's real time. When I did the transaction, the balance transfer, I already received this email notification that 100 pesos was already sent to my son's Neuracash account. And indeed, he was able to use that money in real time to transfer or to pay for bills payment for his mutual funds top up. So that's it. That's how easy our balance transfer from Neuracash to Neuracash account to another Neuracash account. Again, this is Coach Connie Osorio, where we hope that this video has helped you. Just don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. God bless us all.